So let's continue working with transformation. What if I would like to insert some extra data to my table, and I would like that this data would be also automatically renewed in my Word document? So as I did it before, what I did, I have copied my table. I will delete these 2 extra rows to show you what I want to explain. So how we did it before, I had selected the whole table, Ctrl C, passed it through past special, past link, Microsoft Excel Worksheet object, click OK. Now I have connection, and now as my table is dynamic, so I would like to insert some extra rows up here. Let it be surname Smith, for example, and Marta. And what I can see that my data up here in Word document are not renewed. Why it is happening? Because when I have created this table, Excel automatically gave it a name as a table 5. For renewing all my data in my Word document, I have to create the name of my table manually. So for this, I have to give the name of my table range. So let's select the whole table. After that, rename table 5, let's name it as my data. And when I copy this table again, Ctrl C, we'll choose it on a new place, past special, link, Excel. And now I would like to add some data. Let it be Brown and Wilson. Save it also up here. And now, if I press Shift F9 on my keyboard or Alt F9 if you have a version of Excel less than 2010 year, then you can see that you have received the address of the linked document to your chart. And what we can see here, we can see that the range of cells that are presented has such diapason. So, and here I have to give the other name of range, and I have to select the required range. So I need that this chart would be reflected in my Word document. I have to rename it, as my sheet has the name Sheet 1, and here my chart that is dynamic and will be changed all the time. It has the name My Data. Then instead of this diapason, I have to write here my data. Now I will get back to my previous stage, Shift F9, save it again. I will delete this row, it's unnecessary for me. Now I have to renew my field by right-click on my button, Update Link, and I can see the result was appeared up here. I have 4 new names, Smith, Marta, Brown and Wilson, and if I want to add, for example, Garcia, 3. Again, I am receiving the data up here. Perfect, it works. Well, I hope this lesson was very useful for you. Use it at your practice. Take care. Till the next video. Bye-bye.